Yo, just let me do my thing, girl. I'll let you know if I need some help.
No more. I was down bad. I had to tighten the up, but I'm here for the crown. Board of Education versus Brown.
I was down bad. Niggas the back, niggas the slack. Niggas the letter, no letter, no black. I'm asking who going crazy like that's no comparison. Dribble like Marion Jones on the steroids. Y'all flow is that high. Y'all had a year, but you let it go by. Fame, I'm in the bank, come in your paint, turn plain bang. That nigga Jermaine got the same story. That boy had the same marriage. Oh, hell, King Cole, first the name, I'm in the name. The boy got the tone, she more than a game.
We just cool like that. We don't need to rap. We cool like that.
Yeah, you know we had to stop off. We had to stop off and get our favorite lunch. You know, Culver's always a classic.
So
we had to get it.
His phone was so turn on. His phone was so slow that he had to turn it off. And then he said to click the top button and then the turn off and on button. And then
everybody know that.
And then I clicked the bottom one and the turn off one. And he's like, no, the top. So then I let go and it turned on. Boom.
Boom. Hey, how you doing? Thank you. Have a good day. Look at that. Yo, we got the fries up in here. Yo, look at the cheese curds. Classic. Culver's classic. Look at that. Look at that burger. Smack. I'm being fat today, that's what it is. Can you get out my fries, girl? Girlfriend. After this, we're gonna do some shopping. Show y'all the little downtown Birch Run. How we do things in Michigan around here. That's what we do. Take care of our own. So we can vibe out.
With the burger.
With the burger. Hey man, what you slamming my door for? Golly. Man, slamming that joint. We ain't in the hood no more. Got food in your teeth. Alright y'all. We at Birch Run. Birch Run Outlets. If y'all don't know, this is a Michigan classic. Just another one of that boy Jess's Michigan's classics. Or Michigan burps. Here's your Michigan burps right here. Yo, she's the burp queen. I think we going to Skechers, man. We a Nike family up in here.
I do want to go Skechers.
We're going North Face right now. Go see if they got some jackets. Yo, this is the outlet of all outlets.
Look at Coke, Mom.
Why are you burping? She said, ugh. Good night.
Guess what?
What? You can take it if you like.
Yesterday, lots of farts. Today, lots of burps. I think tomorrow will be a lot of hiccuping.
A lot of hiccups?
Yeah. Let's go find him a jacket.
Yo.
Actually, he has a jacket, so he's not gonna have a jacket.
Yo, girl.
I want to check it out. I just take a jacket.
I gotta keep it real, man.
So, outfit check.
Oh, it's a fit check.
Outfit check out.
You know, I got the Jordan Air on. You know what I'm saying? I got the retro 11s on too. All black bread joints. Smack.
It's me. Now my turn.
All right. Quick fit check. Go. You gotta speak. What you got on, girl?
Peanut sweatshirt on.
Schmack.
Cutie bear.
Schmack.
Then I got some leggings.
Hey.
That's some sandals.
All right, bet. Yo, can you? Shawty with the burp.
Excuse me. Daddy, every 5 seconds.
Who wearing this?
Like, look how long that
this
is.
thing
It's like
is.
all the way to the floor.
Additional 60% off.
Wow. Okay, let's go.
We're going to Nike.
No, we're going Skechers.
Oh, Nike.
Skechers.
Or Nike.
Skechers.
Or Nike.
Skechers.
Or Nike.
Skechers.
Or Nike.
Skechers.
Let's go. I have never seen you wear Skechers in my life.
I'm going to today.
Yo, which one? Nikes or Skechers? That's what I want to know. What's y'all favorite? Like, comment. Let us know.
Oh, Skechers kids, right there.
All right, we got a little bootsies. Hey. What size girls?
These are all Skechers.
Oh. Yeah.
Excuse me. Oof. I really want this one.
What? Those things are ugly, man. Let's go check Nike first. Check Nike first, and then you come back to Skechers because those kind of.
Come on, let's try them on. See how they fit.
Skechers kind of sucks. Crazy.
Hey guys, so we just went to Skechers. We're gonna go to Nike now.
Yeah, we gotta have some options.
Yeah.
Because we a Nike family up in here. Everything's, every time I ask her a question, she'll sit back.
Are you kidding me?
What's this fascination with Skechers today?
They're so popular.
For who?
Me, everyone. No,
Wait, who's wearing them now?
Me.
What friend's wearing them? I should say.
No, this is girl named. She wears Skechers.
Is she a popular girl or something?
No, she cries over the littlest things ever. So
Well, why would you want to imitate somebody like that?
I'm not.
All right, over here.
Okay.
Jump man. That boy up to something. I think I need some Robitussin. It's
I
cute.
burped again.
You want to try it on?
No.
See what they got for little mommy. Just say, excuse me, remember. You just use your manners. Ooh. Those ain't bad.
Do they have my size?
Let's check it out. Alright, so she got iced on her shoes she wanted, so we gotta try and find something else. Oh, these are cute for women. Yo, y'all women need to be wearing these when you out. With some leggings, you feel me? Alright, they got some Hirachis. They got little strap ones.
They're Hirachis.
You don't like Hirachis? You don't like some Nike Hirachis, man?
I'm saying what are Hirachis?
They're little slip-ons. Bam, smack.
I don't even like these.
No? Alright. You gonna pass the torch over to Dad? Let Papa get some shopping in? You know Papa gotta get his shopping in too.
Why is that's like so mean to kids in Nike? That's what
It's so, I'm sure it's not mean to kids. Oh, what up, though? Yo, look at the bed, though. Who's rocking the vest this winter? Huh? Yo, hold on. This is kind of cute. Kind of cute, though. Are you you freaking? We need some good styles up in here. That's the problem with the outlets, man. It's some of the leftovers. Sometimes you find some decent finds, but most of the time you get the little leftover joints. They ain't got these here. You lying? I'll pick up a pair of those. So, oh, these are cute. Look at this, son. You like this color? What's wrong with it?
I don't know.
You just don't want me getting anything?
No.
I always keep it 100. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
All right. Getting hit with some knowledge. They don't like that. Once you lay it out for them, they don't like that. I don't like that. Look at her. She freaking out. She freaking. Look at her. She mad. Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater. That's what's up for all you haters out there. Everybody always hating on everybody. Why can't people just love everybody? Well, that's kind of cute, huh?
I see something.
Yo, that's kind of nice color, though.
Really like.
Hey, I don't know if I can rock that color though. I don't know. I gotta get some shoes to match with it though. All right, let's go check out the little kids because there's a little mama here getting a little. Look at her face. Everything's all about everyone else but me. I'm so upset. All right, let's get the kids. We gotta take care of the kids. Jesse love the kids. Oh, these are cute. Look at these. Woo!
What this one?
Is that a belly? What you mean? It is or it isn't? What you think, y'all? Looks cute. You could get it.
Yay.
You can hold it too. This one's cute. Black with just a white. What you think, y'all? Oh, these are cute. I like them. Jeez, her face says it all. Good Lord. Apparently you don't want it. All right. Is that all you're getting? All right. All right, we can go now. Bet. That's a smack. That's a bet. That's a bet. Yo, y'all women got it made. Y'all got the cutest clothes ever. Men got it like, look at that thing. Golly. Where are they going in that jacket?
I'm surprised you.
Okay, thank you for farting into the camera. I truly appreciate it, and so do the viewers. All right.
Well, we're gonna go on the Weird Ride.
It's another one of those stores, you know, that we really like to go to in Birch Run. It's super cool. It's got like essentials. You know, it's got Supreme. It's got vape. You know, all the goodies. Everything's overpriced like everything else.
Yeah.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Dad. What's your name?
Poop.
Poop. All right, there we go. It's called Rewind Vintage Hype. Hey, how you doing?
What's your colors?
Cause I've been getting paid. Something look like lemonade. And the new intake. They got Bath and Aid, they got it all. That did the time, I ain't kidding. Yeah. They got Black Friday weekend shoe sale. Man, let's see, they got the cars, they got the X-Men. You don't know what X-Men is? They even got the jersey, they got the Bel Air Academy, After Hours. Yo. And that's it. Great. Can't wait. Yeah. The prize Since when Birch Run get some soul up in here, man? Soul power. Yo. Check this out, man. Yeah, that's Gucci. Better ill out on that. Oh, they got it here? Oh, 110. You got the Gucci shorts. I think that's as small as it goes, my angel. I'm sorry. Oh, these things come out. These things coming out in a little bit. They had an early release on those joints. Gotta ask the gentleman over there. What the heck? Yeah, she wants to get a card if you don't mind, please. You always gotta have your manager. Yeah. Oh, they got the wheat ones.
These ones like really
Squirtle. Oh, they got the Charmander. That looks like an old school one too.
I think I know which one I want. Can I have this one, please?
Alright. That's our little Birch Run trip. You know, we got some polo. You know what I mean? We had to get the little bear. What's up with the kids and the bears, man? So that's what we got. We did a little shopping, had a little fun. You know what I mean? Enjoy your Saturdays with your kids. You know, take them out. Enjoy yourselves. Try and always look at the positives of all your outlooks and everything else in life. That's the only way things are going to keep pushing forward. Even if you have a bad day, bad night, whatever. You know, you got to get through it. You got to push through it. You got to find the people that are going to help you push through that too. You know, it can't just be one person. You know, Rome wasn't built in a day. You know, so stay positive and stay irritating. You know what I mean? They're irritating butt. You mind, child? God. Alright. We out. Say later.
Later, peace!
Don't forget I think I need a bean. Shawty sniffed the perky, she a fiend. Damn, the baby, I think you need to leave. Only things I need music and weed. She just wants some ecstasy in me.